Congratulations on successfully installing Windows 11 on your device. With its sleek design, new features, and enhanced performance, however, after installing Windows 11, you may be wondering what to do next. There are a few essential steps you should take to ensure that your system is secure, optimized, and ready to use. In this video, we will guide you through some crucial post-installation steps that will help you get the most out of your Windows 11. Dark mode. Personalize colors, and change the theme if you want. Taskbar settings. Turn off these items. Make the Windows logo to left. Privacy settings. General. Turn off all of these. Account info. Turn off. And turn off everything you don't need. Change default web browser app. Go to Apps, Default Apps, Search Edge. And change everyone you can change. Startup apps. Open Task Manager by Control, Shift, Escape. Click on Status, and disable everything you don't want to launch on every Windows boot. Delete additional apps. Installed apps. And delete the apps that you don't use. Xbox Game Bar settings. Gaming. Xbox Game Bar. And turn it off. Game mode. Turn it on. Power plan change. Power options. And select high performance. If there is no, create one from the fourth option on the left. Update Windows. Advanced options. Delivery optimization. And turn it off. It allows other Windows devices to download updates from your PC. Turning it off also decrease the data usage. Now let's install drivers. Search CPUZ, download it. Install it. Go to the Mainboard tab. Look at the model and search for it. I'm using a laptop, so things are different. Let's say that you have Gigabyte B450 Aorus Elite. Go to Support. Select Windows 11. And install the drivers. Make sure to install the newest one. Now go to the Graphics tab. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, download the GeForce Experience. If you have AMD GPU, search for AMD GPU drivers. And install the program. You can now enjoy the best that Windows 11 has to offer and get the most out of your computing experience. you'll be well on your way to enjoying a smooth and hassle-free Windows 11 experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe.